Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can use Google Photos. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go to any browser you want and simply write Google Photos. And finally, once you have done that, go ahead and click on the first link. As you can see, once you click on it, you're going to be on this page right here. Simply click on go to Google Photos. It will log in with your account. As you can see, you'll have to enter your password and your email, and it might ask you for a home address and confirm recovery and stuff like that. You can simply click on not now, and then as you can see, you are already on your Google Photos. I'm gonna go ahead and get into my actual account so I can show you how you can properly use it. So as you can see, this is my account right over here, and if you want to go ahead and delete a photo, you simply click on the photo you want to delete, and all you have to do is click on this button and it will move it to trash. And it just know that it doesn't mean that it's going to be deleted permanently. Moving it to trash will move it right over here, as you can see, and it will basically stay there for like 60 days. And then the other thing that you can do is basically on the top right, as you can see, if you click on the upload button, you can simply upload from your computer or even your Google Drive. And then you can also go ahead and share your images to your friends, like by clicking on this triple icon, and send it to any email you want, as you can see. And there are also archives right over here. You can put your photos on archive. If you are not sure what to do with the photo, you can simply just keep it on archive for later. And yeah, that is about it on how to use your Google Photos. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.